All right, I'm gonna do my little vlog and intro. Do you want to be in my vlog? Sure. All right. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and I'm here with my bestie Lynn. Say hi, Lynn. Hi. If you remember, she was with me in my Plymouth Harbor girls trip last year for my birthday. And we're both on a vacation. She's been off for 2 weeks, so she's like nice and tan. And but I'm off today, so we're down on the Plymouth waterfront, and we're having lunch, and we're gonna go to the Plymouth Farmers Market. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me on another vlog. I'm gonna try my drink. This is a spicy blackberry margarita, and it is spicy. I already tried it once. Wait, before I spill it on my white shorts.
Internal server error while processing your request. Our engineers, yeah, frick you, you engineers.
Nice little spice.
Oh my God.
Mm. Cold drinks there. No. How are ya?
Good, and you?
Good, thanks.
Sample any of the flavors that you like? It sounds interesting.
Yeah, the strawberry mojito sounds
Sure.
interesting.
There you go.
Thank you.
Okay.
Look at these onions, huh? What are these right here?
Used just like garlic. They're kind of cool.
They are very cool.
Right? I tried to smell them. I don't get.
Look at those radishes and
I know.
stuff. These look like a polka dotted
Yeah,
dress.
look at that.
That's beautiful.
This,
Yeah.
the marigold, green marigold.
Yeah, I want one of those. I'm gonna take this one. I love this. This is beautiful. I know, I'm gonna get in line.
What is it?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Ooh, coffee. I think I might get a cold brew.
Sure. You like me? I like cream too.
Oh, yeah, it's gotta be cream. Sometimes in my iced coffee, I do like sugar, but I don't normally.
You can taste it too, because you know it's real smooth, and sometimes people feel like they don't need the sugar. It's so smooth.
You know what? You're right. I don't need sugar in this at all. Wow, that's really, really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, it smells good over here.
Thank you. It's all our goat milk soap made on my farm in Plymouth.
Oh, really?
Yep. So I live in the ponds. I don't know if you're familiar.
Yep, yep.
That's why we're called Hidden Acres, because everyone drives through there like, where's their farm? This is all residential, but our farm
expands behind everyone's houses. So
Really? And you have little goats?
we have little goats. This one just had triplets, and we're waiting for her to have hers. We have a Highland cow, 70 chickens, bunnies, bees, you name it. We've got it.
Bees. And do you like let people come to see it,
We do.
or?
So we're gonna be doing goat yoga and goat snuggles.
You are?
Yeah, probably.
I think I want some of this goat soap.
Sure, try smell whatever you'd like.
Orange patchouli.
Oh, smell that.
Nice. Oh, I like this. See, I'm a patchouli girl.
That's nice too.
Davey's lemon for you. These are beautiful.
Thank you.
What a cute little.
Well, that was fun.
That was really cute.
Okay guys, so it's Friday, July 15th, and I do have most of my Nordstrom Anniversary sale order. The only thing that hasn't come in is the candle. So I'm just gonna get everything out of the box. I figured I would share it with you on this vlog since there were a few subscribers who said they wanted to see everything when it came in. So I'm just gonna take everything out of the box and show you all what it looks like. This big one here is the Kate Spade bag. So let's see what that looks like. This is the perfect size. It is kind of big. Yeah, it's big. But this is great. It's a great big summer bag. Like when I was at the farmer's market yesterday. By the way, that was a lot of fun. Having a big bag like this, you can put everything you buy right in here as you go along. So it's got some heft to it. It's great. It's like a little it's like a tote. So it's, you know, one of those great tote bags. It feels really good. It's got like a pink and like a yellow check with like a darker pink and then a light pink background. It's got no feet on the bottom, but it feels awesome. The anniversary sale runs through the 31st, and I saw this on there, still available. Yeah, great little side purse that is attached, that you can detach. It's just got the it's just got the lobster claw and the loop here, and then you can close it. You know, you can close the bag with the lobster claw and the loop, and it's got the gold, pretty gold hardware. Here it is, guys. Nice, really nice. I love it. Really great bag. I'm super happy with this purchase. All right, so these are the aerosols, and these are the slides, the sandal, the black sandal. These are super, super cute. Super cute. Nice leather. With these nice, I like these soles. These soles are really, really cute. Let's give these a try on. Ooh, yeah, I like them already. Yeah, I love them. Look at them. I like them. I love them. These were a really good choice. So the other items I think are my leggings and the pajamas. Oh, and the Kate Spade readers. So here are the leggings. So these are the Zella, and they have a flare leg, and the material is just awesome. I really, really like these Zella leggings, and these have pockets on the side. So I'll try these on and you can see how these look. Excellent to just wear as regular pants that I just wear to hang out or, you know, go out or whatever. I really like them. I'm not gonna use them for like yoga, but I will use them as regular, like instead of wearing jeans, sometimes wear these leggings. So I like these. And the PJs, ooh, these are nice and soft. They're like a crop pant. And they're very, very soft, and they're gonna be super, super comfortable. I got them in a large because I like them like to be very relaxed. These leggings are a large as well. And then just a regular t-shirt. These are gonna be super, super comfortable. I am going away on Sunday. Going with a friend of mine, actually my hairdresser, Marie. You've heard me talk about her in the past. Her and I are going to a yoga, sort of a retreat location in the Berkshires. It's called Kripalu, and we are going there on Sunday, and we're staying overnight because it's a 3-hour drive to get there, and we're just going for the day. We're gonna have facials, we're gonna do a hike, we're gonna do, they have food there. We eat lunch and dinner there. We're gonna do night yoga. The Berkshires is in Western Mass. It's got like mountains, and I don't know, I've never been. So we're staying in a local hotel, so definitely gonna enjoy wearing these there. All right, and lastly are my Kate Spade readers. So let's see what these look like. They have a great case. It's nice and flat. It's not like the bulky cases that normally you have with your readers or glasses. And they were like leopard on the inside. They're really cute. Yep, and I can definitely see out of them. But I really like them, and you can see really clearly out of them, so I'm happy with these. Like I said, the only thing that didn't come in yet is the candle, and I'm psyched about that. So when that comes in, I'll definitely let you know how that smells and how I like it. So yeah, that is my Nordstrom Anniversary sale purchases. Okay guys, well, I made it here to Kripalu. I've already had my facial, and in about 20 minutes we're gonna be going on a hike. So it's absolutely, the grounds are absolutely beautiful here. And I've got my tea. And I'm gonna just sit and look around while I wait for Marie. She's having her facial right now. And then we're going to go on a hike. So hopefully I'll be able to take some shots of some things while we're walking around. But these mountains are absolutely gorgeous. The area is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, so great retreat day. We made it.
That was great.
I know, wasn't it? Woo! That was a hike.
So, we're going to pause here for about 10 minutes.
Alright guys, so we are chilling. This is Murray. This is my famous hairdresser.
Hello.
And we're in between classes and we're just sitting. We have a amazing view and we're just gonna kill some time before we're gonna do gentle yoga and then go to dinner. So yeah, if you want to relax, right? We're being forced.
Yeah, this is the place to do it.
Yeah, so we're having a great time. All right guys, it's about 6:35 on Monday morning and I am finally heading home, and it has been a really nice relaxing weekend. So thanks for coming along with me on this weekend vlog, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing some of the sights along with me. So I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye for now.